We got a big storm coming tomorrow. It's kind of like up in the air. Snowstorm. They're calling anything from like nothing to, I've heard like 9 inches, a foot, 17 inches. I have no idea. No clue. But I was coming into Ocean City, Ashley and I are, and we just noticed the tide is like ridiculously low. I've never seen it this low. I know I just did a video before where I was talking about like how low the tide was. This is way worse.
Oh, we should check that
Definitely out. Way worse. What is this, 8th Street?
Yeah,
we'll go by 9th Street.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna run down like towards the inlet too to go check that out. But it's insane. So we're gonna drive around, we're gonna go check out some spots, and then get ready to hunker down for tomorrow for the storm. Or at least try to figure out what it's gonna do. How many times has it changed?
A lot. Like, I don't know. I was really pumped for it.
Yeah, and now you're like skeptical that we'll get like anything at all.
Yeah. Because it's changed like 10 times.
Yeah,
no
it has.
exaggeration.
And it's super, super windy out.
It's really cold, so I wanted to do something. It shouldn't be this cold.
It said like what real feel is like 10 or something.
Yes.
Oh no, it's not even that bad here.
No, I thought it was gonna be bad here.
I thought it was gonna be way worse. Oh whoa! Look at the sandbars out there.
I was gonna say the sandbars are good.
I'm gonna run down to
That's good at
2nd Street. Yeah. 2nd Street, Hoopers, all that. We'll check that out.
Oh no, it is low. Look at the sailboat.
Oh yeah, the sailboats.
I've never been able to see. Look at the, yeah, this is low.
Oh, that's insane. Look, yeah, the sailboat. That's not
right
going
there,
anywhere.
I've never seen that dry.
Oh, that? Yeah. Wow, look at the back end of the sailboat.
Yeah, and you can see the sand out there.
Yeah. This is crazy. We're going to drive around. We're going to check out a bunch more areas.
This would be the perfect time to go magnet fishing.
I mean,
Really could get
Oh,
some
Dad,
stuff.
go down to the boat ramp.
we could just walk out there. Just put on boots and walk right out.
I
all right.
love what 125th Street Park looks like.
I know. I got to somehow... I wanted to try to fly the drone, but it's so windy, it's not going to... It won't even let me fly it. Yeah. It'll give me the old wind warning, and then it'll land on its own. All right, we're going to keep driving around. 2nd Street's right down here. That was just 9th Street. So we're going to try 2nd Street, and I'm sure we'll be able to see some sandbars down there. The bay is whipping, but I mean, there's sandbars I didn't even know existed out here. There's a big one right there.
I know all those birds are just hanging out.
Yeah, and right in the middle, all that white stretch right there and right there, those are sandbars too. And I mean, those are big. It's like one giant sandbar. I've never seen it like this. Even down that way,
Yeah.
those are always covered.
I mean, that one's popped out pretty far.
Yeah, the far end one is out. This is insane. Never seen it like that. We're gonna go check out other areas that we think would be pretty cool. Wow.
I mean, that's really far out of the water.
Yeah, it is.
That looks like rock.
Yeah, it does.
I'm like, has it always been there and I just never
I've never
noticed
seen it. I've always seen people go that direction to hit that channel over there by the thoroughfare and all that, but I've never
Like,
seen
people
it
usually hang out on this
popped
beach
out like
over
that.
Here. Or
Oh,
what do they
yeah.
call that? Like, some of that's...
That's the
just
sandbar by
more
Hoopers.
exposed. Yeah.
But you'll see it. We're going to drive over the 50 bridge into West OC, and you'll definitely see it then. We're going under the 50 bridge now. Cambria Hotel is right there. Let's see how low this is. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty low.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all. That's pretty low. I'm gonna go check out up here too. What is it, Jack Spot? We hit that one.
We gotta go.
Yeah. We're gonna go look over there again. It is insanely windy out here and cold, very cold. But look, I'm by Jack's spot. This is where I was last time, where all of it was all super low tide. It's even worse now, way worse. I'm gonna walk out here. That's only a couple inches deep. The tide runner, is that one sitting on bottom? I think it might be. Yeah, I think it is. Holy crap, is it cold and windy. I can't see bottom here, but it's definitely not deep. That boat's not moving at all. Oh, Ashley's braving the cold. Nice and cold, huh?
Crazy to death.
I know, it is cold out here. Yeah, that boat's not moving. Wow.
Hasn't gotten like this before. I've just
Never seen it like this bad. Wait till you see the sandbars when we go over the 50 bridge. That one's gonna be crazy. We're gonna head into West OC now, like Marsh Harbor and all that, and go check that out. They treated the roads here, so we're definitely getting something. We just don't really know how much. Wow. Never seen it that low.
Well, people usually pull up. You remember their boats wells over there in the summertime?
Yeah, it's like a known
but
spot.
it's like, I don't know, it just seems like there's so much
That
more.
is low.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah. Whoa.
This is crazy. This is Marsh Harbor. Look at that.
I've never seen it dry over there.
I haven't seen it this bad ever.
Yikes, it is so low.
It's very low. I'm gonna go walk down there real quick. Shockingly, it is not that windy over here. I know. Not like what it was down by the Jack spot. That was very windy. Wow. Yeah, I've never seen it this low before, ever. Wow. I mean, you can definitely see the bottom. This is nuts. Go check out down here. Out there is usually all water. It's mud. Straight mud. Down there too. Same thing. Wow. This is crazy. Oh, there goes the wind. We're getting back. We're gonna head back home, gear up for the storm, if and when it comes, or whatever happens to it. We don't really know. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. The snow has kind of started. It's like slowly starting to come down. It's, what time is it? It was supposed to start at 11 this morning, and it's 2 o'clock. So here's the mystery snowstorm that we're supposed to get. We don't know how much or when it's coming down or anything about it. So I guess we'll find out soon. They're calling for, well, weather.com is saying no snow tomorrow. Other people, forecasters, are calling for 4 inches. So we honestly have no idea what's happening. So this is going to be bizarre. I guess we'll find out soon. Now it's coming down. It's about time. Let's see if you can see it. Definitely coming down now. It's on the grill too. Slowly starting to stick. I was kind of skeptical about this one. I didn't think it was going to happen. Just because it's been so long. I don't even know. I don't have my phone on me. I think it's around like 3 o'clock. And it was supposed to start hours ago. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I guess we'll wait and see how much we get. This one is like dying to go out and play in the snow. We got about 1.5 inches. Still coming down. It's actually coming down pretty hard right now. So I don't know. We'll see how much we get. It's still coming. I thought for sure it was going to be done by now. Just how it was coming down before. But yeah, still coming down pretty good. Still coming down. We got like 4 inches right now. He's going out barefoot.
Oh, it feels so numb. Oh, my feet are numb.
No, go ahead. Go all the way out.
All the way
Go all, yeah. Go all the way out. There you go.
It feels so numb.
How do your feet feel?
Numb?
Yeah, probably do. Time out. He's going too. I'm not going out there.
You should.
Go all the way out. Go down the stairs. I'm staying inside.
I'm going with you, actually.
You're going to? Go for it. Barefoot in the snow.
I put water on it.
Here he goes. William's going.
Round 2.
Round 2, go for it. All the way down, touch the shed, come back up. Oh. Oh, he wipes out. It's like 26 degrees, 25 degrees. Oh, it's freezing out there. Here it is, 7 a.m. The next morning, I gotta be quiet. The kids and Ashley are still sleeping. Get our final total. Should be about 4 inches, maybe. Yeah, just about. Yep, 4 inches. Got a lot more than they said we were gonna get. Someone told me that we weren't even gonna get 2 inches. That's it's a pretty good amount.